Car Insurance Australia. Cgu Insurance Australia Limited provides commercial, rural, personal, and workers' compensation insurance in Australia. Its personal line of insurance products include home, car, landlords, residential strata, caravan, boat, travel, and recreational horse insurance. The company's small-medium business line of insurance products comprise business, professional risk, farm, construction and machinery, marine, and motor trades insurance. Its corporate line of insurance products include self-insurance services for large businesses. The company was incorporated in 1960, and is based in Melbourne, Australia. As of January 2, 2003, Cgu Insurance Australia Limited operates as a subsidiary of Insurance Australia Group Limited. Prior to buying a car in Australia, find out each of the government regulations regarding car insurance. Whenever paying for your car with an automobile loan, you have to supply proof of comprehensive automobile insurance. This type of insurance coverage takes care of damage to not just your car, but others' cars, property and even injuries, if there is an unfortunate accident. You can buy your own auto insurance, or consult with your auto loan representative for guidance. Also, several laws and regulations in relation to auto insurance around Australia are present, and generally vary from region to region. General requirements regarding automobile insurance in Australia. Automobile insurance regulations vary for each state, yet even so, every state requires car owners to buy at the very minimum some type of third-party automobile insurance that protects injuries to somebody else while driving a car. The specific kind of insurance as well as how you can get it may, even so, vary for each state. Information regarding vehicle insurance in Western Australia, Victoria and South Australia. Third-party insurance coverage is included in the costs every time a motor vehicle is registered in any of these particular three states. While there is simply no personal preference in providers furnished, your insurance coverage will be with the Motor Accident Commission in South as well as Western Australia, and the Traffic Accident Commission within Victoria. Both motor vehicle and damage to property, along with harm to others, are provided with this car insurance. Auto insurance in Australian Capital Territory as well as New South Wales. Before you can register your vehicle in Australian Capital Territory and New South Wales, you must first get third-party insurance with one of the sanctioned insurance firms, which will protect physical harm to other individuals. Driving a car without this form of insurance coverage is a legal offence. Information regarding automobile insurance in Queensland. Insurance requirements in Queensland are essentially the same as those in various other Australian states, but you get a choice of which provider to purchase from, and also the costs are very closely maintained by the government. Just like in states such as South Wales, insurance plans cover only any kind of harm you may cause to other people when driving. Optional car insurance policy coverage. While it's only necessary that you possess some kind of third-party vehicle insurance to operate a vehicle in Australia, you've still got other choices for further comprehensive insurance protection. Compulsory third-party insurance policies simply covers injuries, while standard third-party insurance protection also covers damage to other people's property or automobiles. You can also acquire third-party fire and theft insurance, which can cover harm to other individuals, but also any fire or burglary of your automobile. However, you can also opt to buy comprehensive insurance coverage that not only covers the above, but will also insure any injury to your automobile as a result of a car accident. The basics behind obtaining car insurance. Driving is fun and entertaining, but getting tickets can cost expensive, which makes it vital to avoid them at all costs. Driving a car without car insurance is illegal in most areas of the world. In order to be considered legally driving, a driver must obtain the minimum requirements as far as insurance goes. These insurances are necessary legally, because if a driver breaks expensive items such as street lamps, the driver will be able to replace them. The first thing to consider when getting car insurance is whether or not the car is new. Newer cars will end up costing a lot more to insure when compared to old cars. This is because replacing it, if an accident were to occur, would cost the insurance company a lot of money, If the car desired is luxurious, the car insurance may be too expensive to afford. This is especially true since most banks will require those who have newer cars to get additional protection plans in order to receive a car loan. This provides banks with the security of knowing that there will always be something there for them to repossess even if an accident occurs. There are a few different types of car insurance plans available to choose from. Liability insurance is the plan that will cover the damages that are caused to the others. For example, hitting another vehicle and damaging another person's lawn would be covered by this type of insurance. Liability plans are normally required by law and the minimum is normally around $500,000 worth of protection. Collision insurance plans will cover the damages that are brought upon to your own vehicle during an accident. This is important to have with newer vehicles, since they are not always necessary to have by law. Although the cost of insurance will be slightly higher than normally, you won't have to worry about getting in an accident and losing your vehicle. Cgu Car Insurance Australia